Hi everyone, this is Raymond Lee from Raymond's Dental Solutions. We are living in an era where AI technology is no longer the future, it's the present. And as AI becomes fully integrated into every part of dentistry, something fascinating is happening. Patients are becoming smarter. They can easily compare the service quality of every dental practice, from online reviews, websites, and even digital interactions before they ever walk in your door. In this environment, the wow experience is no longer optional. It's the new standard, and AI is what makes that standard possible. Let's be honest, the dental front desk has always been one of the toughest positions in the office. Endless calls, insurance verifications, scheduling headaches, patients waiting, questions repeating, and the stress spreading through the air. But now AI is stepping in to transform that reality. AI-powered virtual receptionists can now take over routine tasks instantly and flawlessly. 24/7 appointment scheduling and rescheduling, two-way text confirmations that cut no-shows, automatic insurance verification and claim checks, instant answers to FAQs about office hours and treatment costs, lead captures from your website or social media in real time. That means no more missed calls or no more voicemails and no more lost patients. AI handles the logistics so your team can focus on what truly matters: people. With AI managing routine communication, the receptionist role is evolving from task-driven to experience-driven. No longer trapped behind the phone, they can finally give their full attention to creating emotional connection, welcoming patients, easing anxieties, and building trust. Because remember, technology cannot replace empathy, but it can create the space for empathy to thrive. This is the real power of AI plus human empathy. It's not about replacing people, it's about freeing them to shine, to connect, and to deliver care that feels extraordinary. And the data backs it up. Companies like Jaha AI, TrueLock, and AIinDentistry report up to 40% more appointments booked, 95% call answer rates, and dramatically fewer missed calls. Now these are early case results, not yet peer-reviewed studies. But the trend is clear. When automation and empathy work together, patients notice. They feel remembered. They feel valued. That's the beginning of wow experience dentistry. The transformation is measurable. Staff stress goes down. Patient satisfaction goes up. Schedules stay full without chaos. And revenue grows simply because fewer opportunities are lost. This isn't a futuristic dream. It's happening right now in forward-thinking practices. But here's the truth we must face. In this full-fledged AI era, the wow experience is no longer a luxury. Before AI, it was optional, something that separated good offices from great ones. But now, it's essential for survival. Because when every clinic has the same equipment and AI tools, what truly differentiates you is how human your care feels. AI gives structure, human empathy gives soul. Together, they create a dental environment where wow experiences happen naturally, not occasionally, but constantly, every single day. Patients may forget what you said, but they never forget how you made them feel. If AI removes the friction and your people bring the feeling, then your office becomes something extraordinary, a place of comfort, connection, and continuous wow. So, if you want a headache-free dental business where your patients love coming and your staff love working, Start integrating AI into your front desk today. Not to replace people, but to empower them to deliver the wow experience that defines your brand. If this inspired you, please subscribe, share it with your team, and let's build human-centered, future-ready dental practices together. See you in the next video.